Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your EndNote account online. Basically, it's your browser. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to install any application at this stage. All you need to do is go to the EndNote official website, register for a free account, and then start collecting your references. So this is the first step to start. So first of all, you need to go to EndNote online. If you just search that, pop that into your Google and then search. What came up here, I'm seeing the first one here, EndNote, the best reference management tool. That is what EndNote actually is. But I'm looking for the online. So it's talking about EndNote login here. I'm going to click on the second one. And when I click on that, it comes up with this. So if I already have an existing account, I'm just going to pop in my email here, the password here, and I'll be good to go. But that's not what I want to do at the moment. I want to register a new account. So I will click here, register, and it will ask me for email. So I will enter my email here. I will enter my email here. Like this is my email. Um, Just follow this with me gradually. I enter my email. I go to my password. They say there should be a strong password. You can even click here to suggest a strong password. So at this point, I don't want to do this. So I trust myself. So I'm going to choose a password that will work very well. So I will type my password here that I believe is going to work. And yes, it should work. Yes, so I need to retype the same password here. This is my password. I believe it should work and it should work. Yes, so password accepted. I'm going to put my name. Let's say my name is Julius, and I have to put my surname here. Let's say my surname is Sechang, so I will put that here. And then I need to type this captcha down here. So I'm seeing small letter U, small letter H, capital letter C, capital letter Y, and then capital letter O. And I'll attempt to register for the first time and say register. Hopefully everything goes well. So that is all done now. It says a registration confirmation has been sent to your email at this email address. You may need to check your spam folder in case it is not there. So I will click OK. Before I will come back to log in, I'm just quickly going to check the email to see if the email has come in. Yes. Sorry, I'm checking this on my phone and I've seen that. So I will click here to activate the account. I'm clicking here to activate the account. Account has been activated successfully. Now let's come back here and register and log in. So I'm just going to type my email again, the one I used to signing up here. This is my email, and then I will go on to type my password. So I'm keying in my password now, and then I'm done. Let me say sign in. Is this going to be successful? Yes, indeed, it is successful. I'm not saving this, so I'm just giving it some time to generate my account, and I will show you how this thing works. The first step, like I said, it is to sign up for the free account. And as it is with everybody, I'm going to reject the cookies here. But as it is with everybody, you need to read through the EndNote end user license agreement. It said the terms and conditions of this agreement shall not apply. Okay, I will read it offline, then I will come back and accept. So I'm reading it offline. Now that I finished reading, it said acknowledgement. Use of the product affirms that any end user has read this agreement, understand it, and agrees to be bound by its content. And that is what I've exactly done. So I'm agreeing. I'm not going to decline, I'm agreeing. So I click agree, and then I will wait for it to load and take me through. So basically now I have no reference at all. See, in this folder where it says all my references, you can see that it is 0. There is no reference there at all. So I'm going to start collecting my reference now. What do I need to do? The first thing I will need to do is to locate anything that I want to cite. For instance, it can be used for citing journal paper, conference papers, textbook, book chapters, book section, a lot of other things. But I'm just going to start with how do you cite a website, basically. some of you get information from Statista and you want to sign that. How do you sign that? So let's go, you want to cite that. How do you cite that? So I'm going to go to a new page. I will just type, no, not Statista. Let me say social media. Sorry. So I'm looking for social media uh, users this year, just so that I can get some statistics. Yes, Statista doesn't disappoint. So this is it. I'll click this and it will open up like this. So nice and fantastic. I don't want to allow all this cookie and whatever. I want to just deny everything. So now this is where I am. I'm seeing this is social media and user generated content. I just want to look this. Okay, I want to take the statistics. So number of social media users worldwide from 2018 to 2017, and I'm using this chart basically, and I want to cite it in my work. How do I do this? First of all, I need to go to my. I will copy this title. So watch with me. I will copy the title. Then when I copy this title, I will come to the EndNote account here, and I will say I will say collect. This is what I do. I will say collect. Then I will say new reference. This is one way to do this. I will show you other method later if you stay with me. Then I will come here and say this is a website basically. So I will just choose website. If you think it's a different thing, you can do that fine. But I'm choosing it's a website. And then I will put in the name of the author here. This is the not author, sorry, the title. I will paste it here and I will go out. I will come to the author here. The author is Statista. Yeah, somebody did it, but it's on the behalf of Statista. So I will just use Statista as the author, and that is it. I will not do any other thing again. And I will come here the year this was written. It's 2027. Oh, wow, that is interesting. That is because of forecast as well. So let's go back and check. When was this data reported? Sorry. When was this data reported? I'm just gonna check down and see when was this data. That is the 2022 copyright. Yeah, so this was published September 2022. September 2022. Number of global social media network. September 2022. Is that what I'm looking for? Statistic created it. Okay, release date June 2022. So this was June 2022. You can see that you need to look through to see where the date is actually. So I'm just going to put the year here, June 2022, just so that I'm sure it is there. And access date, I'm accessing this today. I'm accessing this today, which is today is actually 29. So 29 of November 2022. This is when I'm accessing this resource. And if I scroll down again, that is the date that I access it because it's going to show. And then, okay, I will need the URL. So I will come here. I will copy the URL as it is. It's looking crazy, but yeah, let me just use this. Actually, this is not the right way to do it. I will copy this URL, paste it here because it's looking too long. Look at that. If you set it like this, then it's going to look crazy. So I'm just going to clear all this gibberish that is generated by the search. I will click here. I should still have the same data, but now the website now, the link now looks better. So I will now copy this, take it to my EndNote account and paste that in here. Yes, I will paste that in here. And then probably this is it. There are several other fields. If you want to fit them in, you can do that. You can even copy the abstract and come and paste it in the abstract provision here, but that is not what I want to do. And you can even include the keywords and the rest. That will help you as search, but that is not what I want to do as well. So I think this is it. If I want to include the publisher, I will say the publisher. It's published by Statista, isn't it? This is not published by anybody. But yeah, for other source of information, the publisher may be different. So this is pretty much it. I'm going to click save. I will click save. Reference is now saved. So if I come to my reference list now, I can see there's one reference already added. I have one reference added here. So I will stop this video here. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can now download the EndNote application, license it, and then synchronize the library with this reference you added online and be able to cite